Hello, I'm Smer, and today we're diving into two features designed to make giving meaningful feedback and creating content in SpacesEDU faster and less stressful. We all know that quality feedback is the engine of student growth. Look at these beautiful posts in my one-to-one space. SpacesEDU is a vibrant place for those deep, fruitful conversations. But what if you could have a personal library of your most effective comments ready to go in a few clicks? You actually caught me at the perfect time because I'm about to comment some feedback for Hero. Imagine you're adding a new comment to this conversation and suddenly a familiar, well-written comment appears as you type. This is the Feedback Companion. Is this your first time using it? Not a problem, we got you covered. In any comment box, type in / and just get started. If you don't happen to see the message, your district has not activated the Feedback Companion at this time. Let's go and get started. The Feedback Companion lets you build your own personal library of comments, giving consistent feedback out to students fast. It saves you time, and best of all, follows you and your account year after year. You don't have to start from scratch. You can quickly populate your bank by uploading an existing file, like a Word or simple text document. And if you want to learn more, click on this link right above. There, you'll have access to all the tricks, tips, and tools you need for the slickest use of our nice companion and a smooth upload with our powerful templates. Look at that, I just uploaded a text file and my companion organized it by categories. Once you're happy and you've done your review, go ahead and save changes. Now that your bank is populated, you can easily manage it, editing existing comments and applying or creating new categories to keep things organized. You can also add manual comments that are new, high quality that you may be using regularly. Once again, this bank is private to your account and carries on from year to year and school to school. So moving forward, you can easily access the Feedback Companion by clicking on the avatar on the top right and going to your account settings. Now, let's go back to a student post to see the companion in action. Simply type the / to access your feedback that is now populated. Choose a comment, filtering by search or category, and with one click, it's instantly added. Wow, look at that. The companion will automatically apply the name of the student related to the post. This is a huge time saver and makes that feedback feel truly individual. Your feedback is streamlined, but you can definitely tailor it to further meet the needs of your students. When you're happy with the final result, go ahead and comment. I love my added personalization to the initial feedback. So you know what? Let's work smarter and not harder and add this new and improved comment into your Feedback Companion. Pretty cool, right? Well, it looks like that's But wait, I think I forgot something. What about that very first comment I showed you? Let's see what happened to it. Oh wow, look, it's still there. This is just an example of another powerful time-saving tool in SpacesEDU. Meet Autosave. Have you ever been writing a long, personalized, thoughtful comment for one of your students only to be interrupted by an urgent email, or maybe the power goes out, or you lost your phone? Life does happen. Well, with Autosave, every comment you create is automatically saved as you go. You can step away, close the app, or even lose your internet connection and know that your work will be there when you return. The Feedback Companion ensures your students get high quality, consistent, and personalized feedback quickly, and Autosave ensures you never lose a moment of your hard work. Together, they give you back valuable teaching time. That's your quick look at these two powerful features in SpacesEDU. Get started today and reclaim your time.